Good medical morning. This is Watson with your Emergency Dermatology Week in Review. Case 5. This patient has some sort of pimple or sty removed from their eye. Please comment below in regards to which story deserves its own video. Use the case number so we know what you're talking about. Case 4. For the past several years, a 31-year-old man from India had been watching the tumor emerge from the back of his skull. Following treatment, including chemotherapy, the mass continued to grow. He was feeling a heaviness in his head, which ached constantly, and his vision was blurred. Doctors in India say his brain tumor grew so big that it weighed nearly 4 pounds and measured nearly 20 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters. Doctors successfully removed the mass during an intensive 6-hour operation and explained that about 10% of the tumor was growing within the patient's skull, putting pressure on his brain and causing him to lose his eyesight. If not treated successfully, it could have caused neurological damage or paralysis. He is now recovering well and is expected to regain full eyesight. Case 3. This patient has multiple squamous cell carcinomas of the forehead skin. Case 2. Dolly has an impressive nose pimple. Not an emergency, but it is a fun pop. And Case 1. This 89-year-old male has a hyperkeratotic lesion that has been present for the past 4 weeks. This gentleman lives alone, has poor hygiene due to difficulty showering, and is not accepting of help. His podiatrist asks, "Any idea of what this lesion could be and how it could be managed?" Feel free to comment below on that, and make sure you leave a comment below with which case deserves a dedicated case study video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can see all our future videos. Hey there, weight loss and fitness fans. This is Watson, and we have a special word to Leanne congratulating her for her weight loss with Dinergy. And it comes from Eden Cupid, who you may know from Umbrella Academy.
Hey Leanne, I just wanted to send you a congratulations for losing 20 pounds with Dinergy. That's amazing. The way I keep up and keep myself in shape is I usually like to run. I run about 2 times a week, and then I have also added weightlifting into my workout routine as well.
So there you go. Congrats, Leanne, and way to keep off those pounds. Now check out Dinergy for yourself. Boost your metabolism into high gear and start today. There's a link below.